As you can see, linked up on our Discord server is a Press TV article called "Trump Claims His Board of Peace Might Replace the UN." But as you can also see, underneath that is an editor's note that says don't forget about Daniel 11:14 when you see articles like this one here about how the Board of Peace might replace the UN, because no matter what the robbers of thy people do to try and bring about the New World Order, as it's called, the one world political system of Revelation 13 won't emerge until the woe of the fifth trumpet, when Satan and his angels get cast to earth. In other words, it'll be the one world political system of Revelation 13 that replaces the United Nations, because the United Nations is the great horn of the he-goat that has to get broken before the four notable ones of Daniel chapter 8 verse 8, meaning the four beasts of Daniel 7, all rise up together at the same time as the one world political system of Revelation 13 at the woe of the fifth trumpet, when Satan and his angels get cast to earth, including the 10 fallen angel kings that will receive power as kings 1 hour with the beast, as you can see in Revelation 17. The beast in Revelation 17 specifically being Satan before and after he appears as the Antichrist, with the 1 hour there being the hour of temptation, which is also called Daniel's 70th week, which was 7 years but is now 5 months. So again, no matter what the robbers of thy people do to try and bring about the so-called New World Order, they shall fall, as you can see in Daniel 11:14. And that word translated as fall there is from a Hebrew word that in this case means to fail, because again, it's only when Satan and his angels get cast to earth at the woe of the fifth trumpet at the beginning of the 5-month-long hour of temptation that the one world political system comes into being, which then gets wounded to death and then becomes a one world religious system when Satan appears as the Antichrist at the woe of the sixth trumpet. The true Christ won't return until 2.5 months later at the woe of the seventh trumpet, or 70 evenings, which are what the 70 years in captivity to the Babylon of old were a type of.
Hey, why so sad? And this isn't the first time I've noticed it. Oh, nothing, really. Whatever it is, I've got just the cure for it.
Now on DVD, the Timelines of Revelation 2-disc set, which includes the timeline of the Seven Seals videos, as well as the timeline of the Seven Trumpets videos. Email us at mark13records@mail.com to find out how to order, or call 1-800-816-2432. Fantastic, you'll enjoy it.